Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery with a pre-primed, now dry, pre-primed with Artist Loft white with Floetrol and GAC 800 in it. And I thought I was going to use some of that, but I think I'm going to use the Vivid Intense White. I think I'm going to take the top right off of that. Come on, out you come. And I'm just looking to moisturize my canvas, basically. Lots of bubbles. Lots and lots of bubbles. I suppose I could hit that really fast. And since it's looking so darn uneven, I could actually add a little more. I'm not sure what's going to happen. I know I'll be swiping. Other than that, I'm just going to throw a whole bunch of stuff at this. Starting with the plug bottle of Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold that just came open. Yay. I think we can get enough out of there. If we can't, I can always use the tweezers. You can find them on my Amazon link. They're very sharp. Well, we'll give it a shot. And then I'm going to add some orange peel, which is a primary element that has a little bit of gold sparkle in it, another one. The Cunag is from Golden. And I'm almost certain that the orange peel has some of that same aspect to it. I've got a whole bunch of Decoart Americana 24 karat gold. That's mixed with Floetrol and GAC 800 also. My Prizm pours and Primary Elements are mixed with Vivid Polypore and Vivid Enamel with a little bit of Just On You Gloss Varnish and some GAC 800. This is Chantilly lace. For sparkle, I might call in my, I'm thinking about, not yet. I've got some custom Plum Blossom. I didn't really come out the right color. This is Plum Blossom, the color that's primary element, and this is the color that I tried to mix when I ran out. And I want moisture in my swipe, so I'm just going to add colors I don't mind using up. This is some Vivid Intense Quinacridone Red. Minus that lump. Then I'm going to use some jasmine. I am if I don't have any clogs in my tip. Jasmine is a primary element and pretty much my all-time favorite color. I'm hoping this will be okay. This is Sour Lemon. This is a Prizm pour. It's got some orange crush in it. And I might actually use some orange crush. Part of me wants to just get a big comb I had found earlier today out and use it, but what have I got here? The Vivid Intense. I want a purple, and I'm thinking, yes, the Red Violet. The Red Violet is a Prizm, is a Vivid Intense fluorescent. They're all from, I'm a Colourarte affiliate. And I think that I'm going to use the Snapdragon just like I thought I was. I might tip this first just before I give myself an opportunity to swipe. That needs to be more open than it is. Open sesame. I gotta be careful. I gotta remember to be more careful with the blues because they take over. Let's use a little saffron, which I might also, I don't know, this could go sideways pretty easily. You know what I haven't used in a while is my Wild Orchid, which is a Prizm pour, and absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm contemplating using a whole bunch of cell activator this time to make sure. I never did use the Orange Crush. Let's use the Orange Crush. Kind of random shapes. I'm feeling the necessity for more pink, and I have both a Vivid Intense Magenta and a Pink Diamond Prizm Pour. Which will probably get swallowed if I tip. And this is the Pink Diamond. So we'll do what I said I was going to do. I really want to use that comb for a second. It's a because I can moment. More likely because I want to. Let's wipe that off of my pants. I'm not seeing as much pink as I'd like to have in there. I'm going to put some more in. Where'd it go? Lighter pink. You know what? I have out some Frosted Berry, which is a Prizm pour, which I intended on using. It's almost out. Come on. How about one more? No, I was going to say one more hit of the Red Violet, but I think I am going to do it. I don't recall having done exactly this ever. I'm kind of missing the yellow, and I've got all kinds of colors handy. Hansa yellow with Parrole orange in it. And that was a Vivid Intense. And if I thought about anything in advance, which I didn't, I would have contemplated an edge catcher. But I'm making this up as I go along. So I think what I'm going to do is use some Mead and Black, because paint will flow to paint. And then I can see what's going to happen, hopefully. I'll tip it the wrong way first. Will it swallow it or will it stay? I did mention that I pre-primed my canvas. I think I like that. I think I'm going to do it to this side too. Putting a little more in the shallow spots and a lot less at the top where the rounds are. So more, less, more, less, more, more. Now it's time. Now I want to do something weird. I'm still doing weird things. Alright, I'm going to grab some white cell activator. Actually, you know what? I've got a fresh batch of cell activator and I want to use it. So I'm going to put some right in a scrape dish. It was a lot of Amsterdam white in this. I'll try and control my initial instincts. This could be a mistake. Or it could be really cool. Or neither one of those things. Yes, and I'm wiping my card right off on the... I'm contemplating doing the whole thing on the... I'm going to go all the way across, is what I'm thinking. Use up my residuals because I kind of like the colors. Like a lot. So painting before painting. I need that scrape dish. I'm going to use this as a scrape dish now. I'm going to wipe that card off. I need the whole deck for this. Come on, no paint chips allowed. Scrape, I'm going to need some more. I'm glad I put it in the dish. I'm loving the cells I'm seeing. Scrape it off again. And keep scraping it off. And turn it around. And I suppose I could leave the center, but that's not really what I want to do. I think I'm going to grab a larger card though. Let's just pour that right on there. See what's going to happen with that. I'll probably do something with that. I'm not sure what though. This was kind of crazy last minute. I guess I have enough time to work. That might have been more white cell activator than I wanted. But I definitely like the fact that I have enough paint to make it all the way across. Not sure that wasn't a mistake. This leaves me some room to like drag a skewer or a spatula through, or go ahead and use black instead. That would be kind of cool. I'm just going to use up the paint I've got on my card. Just to change up the design. The black is the Meeden black. Alright, I've given myself 3 more minutes. I think I'm going to pull some of this across. Just so when I get to the end, use up the rest of my cell activator. I might have to black my edges if I don't get enough paint covered. Kind of like that. Oh, I've got paint in my dish that has black Meeden in it, and I'm just going to use it. So I've got 3 minutes to tell you guys I do sell my artwork. My email address is easpbgallery and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. See, I'm just using the leftover paint, but I think I'm going to actually wipe that off for a minute. I'm going to try my old cell activator just for grins. It's still Amsterdam white. I could have probably put some boom gel on there. Well, it looks like it's going to work fine. All right, I want to use the wide side of the card. And I can use all of that afterwards and give myself one more go. I kind of want to head right down that area with some more white again. Kind of wish I'd used some gold. I think that would have been good. Alright, I've got leftover paint. I want to tell you guys I love you, and if you want to help me out, shop my Amazon link. It's at no added cost to you, and it's got my 2 books there because I can and Unlimited Possibilities. They're the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Tutorials for fluid art. They're basic, standard, really cool stuff. They come with all the pictures and tools and the descriptions of the pouring medium. Anyway, so I've got 1 minute left, and my phone is here so I can shimmer this at you. And it kind of reminds me of something I did very recently in a different, slightly different style. But I like this too. And I'll be using any residual paint that I have to fix my edges. So please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching them longer. Thank you for commenting, and you keep my morale boosted. Thank you for donating through PayPal. The icon's on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. Thank you if you're a new member. I hope you're enjoying the 110 plus videos in the members only library. And on my link tree, you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups. Be good if I zoomed in. That's pretty cool, actually. I like this. I'm surprised. Well, I shouldn't be, but I am. Anyway, my community board will show you tomorrow's video at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Questions are welcomed and encouraged. I love you guys. I hope you come again. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork. If I said that twice, forgive me. I'll see you guys anon. Whatever I forgot, you'll see in another video. I have 30 playlists of 100 videos, and they're organized by topic and genre. And this is